Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. We discuss the design of the anticipated DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Now, thanks to a recent leak from Jasper Ellens, we have a more detailed look at the rumored specifications for DJI's next-generation flagship drone. While some details align with previous rumors, there are several fresh points worth exploring. Extended flight time. The most notable enhancement in the rumored Mavic 4 Pro lies in its significantly extended flight duration. Speculations suggest a remarkable 52-minute flight time, a substantial leap from the Mavic 3 Pro's 43 minutes. While a 9-minute increase might seem minor on the surface, its implications for drone pilots are profound. Firstly, extended flight times directly translate to longer aerial captures. This allows for a more expansive exploration of the landscape, capturing intricate details and dynamic perspectives that were previously unattainable within shorter flight windows. Secondly, increased flight time minimizes the frequency of battery swaps. This not only enhances operational efficiency by reducing downtime, but also minimizes the risk of losing valuable footage mid-flight due to unexpected battery depletion. Furthermore, uninterrupted flight allows for smoother and more seamless footage, particularly in scenarios requiring continuous aerial tracking or capturing events with dynamic and unpredictable elements. Stepless electronic ND filters. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is poised to revolutionize aerial cinematography with the integration of stepless electronic neutral density filters. This groundbreaking innovation marks a significant departure from traditional ND filters, which require manual swapping during flight. By eliminating the need for physical filters, electronic NDs offer unparalleled control over exposure. Cinematographers can now seamlessly adjust light levels in real time, directly within the drone's interface. This dynamic control provides unprecedented creative freedom, allowing for rapid adaptation to ever-changing lighting conditions, such as fleeting clouds or sudden shifts in sunlight. Furthermore, stepless electronic NDs streamline the workflow significantly. The elimination of manual filter changes during flight minimizes distractions and interruptions, leading to a smoother and more efficient filming experience. This is particularly beneficial for fast-paced productions where time is of the essence. Finally, the absence of physical filters translates to a significant reduction in gear carried by the operator. This not only reduces the overall weight and bulk of the equipment, but also eliminates the risk of losing or damaging valuable filters during transportation and operation. 100MP image sensor. The inclusion of a 100-megapixel sensor is undoubtedly a headline-grabbing feature. However, it's crucial to remember that megapixel count alone doesn't guarantee superior image quality. Factors like sensor size and low light performance are equally, if not more, important. A larger sensor generally captures more light and produces better dynamic range and image quality. Nevertheless, a 100MP sensor has the potential to deliver incredibly detailed aerial shots, opening up new possibilities for high-resolution imagery and creative applications. OcuSync 4 Plus. DJI is further refining its transmission technology with OcuSync 4 Plus. This next-generation system promises an even longer range and improved live feed quality. Considering that the current OcuSync 4 on the DJI A3S already achieves a range of 32 km under FCC regulations, a significant range increase can be anticipated. Moreover, a higher quality live feed, potentially reaching 4K 30 frames per second like the Inspire 3, would provide a more immersive and responsive flight experience. DJI RC2 controller. The Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to be bundled with the DJI RC2, a high-end remote controller featuring a built-in 5.5-inch 700-nit display. This controller is already compatible with OcuSync 4 and should seamlessly support OcuSync 4 Plus when it becomes available. The DJI RC2 offers a professional-grade control solution with a bright and responsive display, making it an ideal companion for serious aerial videographers. Weight and build. At approximately 1,045 grams, the Mavic 4 Pro is slightly heavier than its predecessor. This increase in weight can be attributed to several factors, including larger camera module. The inclusion of a 100MP sensor likely necessitates a larger camera module. Built-in ND filters. Integrating stepless electronic ND filters adds weight and complexity. Larger battery. The increased battery capacity contributes to the overall weight. Release date. While April 2025 has been suggested as a potential launch window, the recent surge in FCC filings and leaks suggests that an earlier release is possible. DJI appears to be rapidly finalizing the development of the Mavic 4 Pro, and an unexpected early launch could be on the horizon. Conclusion. The leaked specifications for the DJI Mavic 4 Pro paint a picture of a truly impressive drone. With extended flight time, innovative stepless electronic ND filters, a high-resolution sensor, and advanced transmission technology, the Mavic 4 Pro has the potential to redefine the standards for professional aerial photography and videography. Which feature excites you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below.